Looks like I need to charge these another 3 more days, huh? These chargeable batteries. Yep. So I'm already 3 days short. Back to those other AAA batteries. Yep. Yeah, YouTube, this is my room. It's a hell of a mess. I'm thinking about cleaning it up later on Monday. So, yep, there's my laptop. There's most of my stuff. Yep. There are probably more dog poop videos later, so I first have to buy new chargeable batteries. If I can ask Uncle Dave for little extra money, so. Yep. Yep. Here's me. Hey, this is crazy working, man. Now I'll make sure to upload this later to YouTube, so. Or I'll do it tonight, so. Yep. Anyways, a lot of these videos are awesome. So I'm gonna exit this video, so peace.